Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the IPC instrumentation and process control. Unit number 9 frequency response analysis and fortune circumstances for a transportation leg and ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમમાં બેઝિસમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા. તો જોઈશું આપણે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈ ગયા જનરલાઇઝેશન્સ અને સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન લેગ. ઓકે, so now start. The response of this transportation leg is not described by these equations 16.4 જે આપણે આગળ જોઈ ગયા છે એના બેઝિસ પર. Which one equations for generalizations? This one. En dn raised to y by dt raised to n plus a n minus 1 d raised to n minus 1 y by dt raised to n minus 1 plus an dy by dt plus a0 multiplied by is equal to x of t. Okay, so where is y is the output variable and x of t is the forcing function or output variable. Okay, તો એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે આ થિયરી જોવાની છે. Now the transportation leg, the response of a transportation leg is not described by equation 16.4. Rather a transportation leg is described by this relation y of t is equal to x of t minus tau, which state that the output y takes the input x by an interval of time tau, and if x is the sinusoidal, x is equal to a sin omega t, and from equation 16.14. Okay, now which is equation 16.14 for a y of t is equal to x of t minus tau, which state that the output y takes the input x by an interval of time tau if x is the sinusoidal, or x is equal to a sin omega t. Then from equation 16.14 by y is equal to a sin omega t minus tau is equal to a sin omega t minus omega t, this basis. Now it is apparent that are the here is the unity and the phase angle is a minus omega t sign. To check the substitutions rule of the previous section part, for recall that the transfer function is given by g of s is equal to y of s upon x of s is equal to e raised to minus tau s, and putting the s is equal to jw g omega, this that could be this equations j of g omega is equal to e raised to minus g omega tau, and then the attainable region here in માનકમાં e raised to minus g omega t is equal to 1, and a phase angle for this part for e raised to minus g omega t is equal to omega t. Okay, now again repeated the for part transportation leg ના બેસિસ પર જોઈશું આપણે. પછી એક્ઝામ્પલ છે તે જોઈશું આપણે. The response of a transportation leg. The response of a transportation leg is not described by this equation 16.4. Rather a transportation leg is described by the relations. Okay, the response of the transportation leg is not described by equations 16.4. Rather a transportation leg is described by this relation y of t is equal to x of t minus tau, which state that the output y and the leg the input x by an interval of time tau if the x is the sinusoidal. X is equal to a sin omega t. Then from equation 16.4, okay, the y is equal to a sin omega t minus tau is equal to a sin omega t minus omega t na basis par ase. The response of a transportation leg is not described by this equation 16.4 is a transportation part. Okay, now the transportation leg is described by this relation y of t is equal to x of t minus tau, and we state that the output y, the leg, the input x by interval of this time tau. If x is the sinusoidal basis, the x is equal to a sin omega t. Then from equations 16.14, okay, 16.14, and y is equal to a sin omega t, and the minus tau is equal to a sin omega t minus omega t, where the apparent the region AR is the unity and the phase angle is the minus sin omega t. To check the substitution rule of the previous section part, recall that the transfer function is given by g of s is equal to y of s upon x of s is equal to e raised to minus ts. Okay, g of s is equal to y of s upon x of s is equal to e raised to minus t tau s. Putting s is equal to g and g in a bracket ma j omega is equal to e raised to minus j omega t. This section part, then attainable region is equal to in a bracket ma e raised to minus j omega t is equal to 1. Phase angle ma joiશું a angle e raised to minus j omega t is equal to minus omega t. Okay, and the validity of the rules is verified in these chapters. Okay, verified this rule basis પર જોશું આપણે, and the validities for the solving this example. Okay, find out these values for a transitance leg. Now start this example 16.3. The star tank heater of chapter 1 has a capacities of the 15 galleries, and water is entering and leaving the tank at the constant rate of 600 lb per minute. lb per minute, and the heated water that leaves the tank and enters the well insulted section of the 6 in a inside diameter pipe. Okay, the section is the inside diameter pipe, the 2 feet from the tank, and thermocouple is placed in this fine line is for according to the tank and the temperature basis, and shown in a figure 16.1, the electrical heat input is held constant at a 1000 kilowatt. Okay, if the inlet temperature is varied according to them this relation basis, Ti is equal to 75 plus 5 sin 46 basis, and W, where Ti is in a degrees for this basis, T is the minute માં આપલું છે, and find the interval eventually this behavior of the thermocouple reading Tm. Compare this with the behavior of the tank of this temperature. Okay, so write down this all the data. Now this solution part. Okay, now the what is the data? Ti is equal to 75 plus 5 sin 46t, and where Ti is in degrees of the Fahrenheit and the T is in a minute. Find the eventually behavior of the thermocouple reading. TM compare this with the behavior of the tank in the temperature. Now draw this diagram, this figure. Ti is equal to 75 plus 5 7 40 60, 600 lb per minute for 1000 kilowatt. Okay, the 600 lb per minute and 6 per id pipe, this basis, and the tank temperature system for this example 16.3. Okay, this temperature, take tank temperature system for example 16.3, and it may be assumed that the thermocouple has a very small time constant and effectively measure the true fluid temperature at all this time. Okay, the problem is to find this frequency, some responses to the of Tm to Ti. A deviations variable must be used. Define the deviations variable Ti dash as the Ti dash is equal to Ti minus 75 is equal to sin 4060. Simple example છે. Okay, then after જોશું આપણે control problem. Ti dash is equal to Ti minus 75 is equal to 5 sin 4060. To define a deviations variable for a Tm, note that if Ti were held at 75 Fahrenheit, and the Tm would come to this steady state satisfying. The Qs is equal to the Wc, where Tms minus Tis. This may be solved for Tms. So Tms is equal to Qs by Wc plus Tis is equal to 1000 multiplied 1000 in bracket में 0.0569 by 600 multiplied 1.0 plus 75 is equal to 170 Fahrenheit. Okay, now T dash m is equal to Tm minus 170. T dash m याद रखो, note down this data. T dash m. Okay, now the overall system between Ti dash and the T dash m is made of two components in series, the tank and the 2 feet section of the pipe. The transfer function for the tank is G1s is equal to 1 by tau 1s plus 1, whereas we have been seen before, tau 1 is given by tau 1 is equal to rho v multiplied by v w is equal to 60.3 multiplied 15 by 600 multiplied 7.48 is equal to 0.202 minimum. Okay, the transfer function of the 2 feet, the section of pipe, which corresponding to the transportation leg is G2s is equal to e raised to minus tau 2s, and where tau 2 is the length of the time required for this fluid to traverse the length of pipe. This is basis for tau 2 is equal to L by V, and the 2 multiplies 60.3 multiplied 0.197 by 600 is equal to 0.0396 minute, and the factors 0.197 is the cross sectional area of the pipe in a square feet. Okay, now since the two system in this equation part याद रखो आना बेसिस पर. Now the G of S, G1 G2S નો G નો ઇક્વેશન આવશે, then એંગલ નો ઇક્વેશન આવશે. એંગલ ઇક્વેશન આવ્યા પછી This rule make it very convenient frequency response of the number of a system in series માં આવશે. એટલે what is AR is a phase angle 1 by 46x 46 multiplied 0.202 whole square plus 1 is equal to 1 by 9.35 is equal to 0.107. The phase angle is equal to tan inverse in a whole bracket 46 multiplied 0.202 is equal to minus 84 degree. Enter. For the section of pipe, the attainable region is unity, so that the overall attainable region is just 0.107 the phase leg due to the pipe may be obtained from equation 16.15 as a phase angle. Minus omega t2 is equal to the minus 46 multiplied 0.0396 is equal to minus 1.82 આવશે આન્સર. ઓકે 9 આમાં આવશે minus 188. The tank temperature કેટલું છે minus 170. Okay, thank you so much.